Hey again, it's Mr. McLean. Right now I'm going to show you how to work with columns. Quite often students need to use columns in assignments if they're making brochures. So it's very, very simple. But I'm going to show you a couple little tricks to make your columns look a little better. So you're going to go page layout and go to columns. You could choose 1, 2, or 3. So 3 columns. It's going to go to an assignment, a Word doc actually, that I had written. And here it is right here. So I've created one column here. It's going to undo something I just did. All right, so the problem is, let's say I want to start a new section and I want to go here. Well, I want to go in the second column and it goes to the header. I just can't do it. I'm going to have to enter all the way there. Now I get to my next part. So let's just write the worst things about high school. High school. There we go. Okay, so 1, the freedom. That could be really, really bad. Freedom sometimes is horrible. Mr. McLean's hair. Oh man, that's horrible. So on and so on and so on. But let's just say here, I want to add a 9th thing here. Do you think that's going to move down? Watch it. Is that going to move down? Enter. Oh, that's moving down. That's not what I want. That sucks. Oh, Mr. McLean, can you teach me how to make this better? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut this out and hit Control X. And I'm going to do something called a break. And it's going to be called column break. All you have to do is click on column. Hey, all of a sudden I'm right here. And if I add something here and hit enter again, that's not moving. So at the end of this, I'm going to go column break, column break. Oh, now I'm here too. That is how you insert your page breaks and then column breaks. I'm going to show you right now how to make this title all the way across here. Because right now, let's say I just want this as my title. I'm going to make it larger. It's only going to be in this one column, which kind of looks kind of wonky to me. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. So I'm going to have this title extend all the way across here. But I can't do it on this document right now. So what I'm going to do is going to copy all of this here, copy that information. I'm going to go to another blank document, the one I created a little while ago. I don't want that one. I want this one. So I'm going to paste put my title in. So the best film, I can't type all the time, about high school. Okay, best things about high school. All right, I'm not going to insert those columns yet. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have to put something in there that kind of separates this part of the document from this part of the document where the columns will be. So it's very simple. I'm just going to go page layout. I always go to design. I don't know why. Page layout. You're going to go here, and then you're going to click on continuous. Insert a section break and start the new section on the same page. So what this does, if I put my formatting in, you'll see this section break here. So I'm going to go and insert my columns now, 3 columns. I'm going to paste that information I just had in. All right, so there is that. Enter it down a bit. That looks horrible. Let's not do that. All right, so that is all in that one column. Now we're going to make this title. We're just going to turn this off. We don't need that anymore. It's going to make this larger just to demonstrate that it goes all the way across. Going to make it center. And if you click down here, notice I have my different columns. As I said earlier, I'm going to insert that column break. So hit column. You're here now, type a bit, then break column. So that'll get you to, oops, that was silly of me. That will get you to your different columns. So you have your title across, and that is how it's done.